There are the two teams. Anshit Yadav, Vivek Singh, keep an eye on him. Mohammad Saif, the left-hander. Suraj Ahuja, the skipper, he was there a little while earlier at the toss. Upendra Yadav, they'll have their work cut out for sure. Karan Sharma, we'll see him in action as well. And on the other hand, take a look at that at number 4, Virat Kohli, the king. He's back on the park and where he really belongs. 12 huge numbers today. That's the first delivery and we are off and away. Coming in, gets off the mark straight away with a couple of runs. The Railways will really be looking to get a good.
फास्ट बॉलर्स को इस पिच पे अच्छी खासी घास आज सुबह देखने को मिल रही थी। जी हाँ, यहाँ पे गैप मिला, बॉल को दिशा दिखाई और पहला चौका आता हुआ रेलवे के खाते में।
So that grass will really open. There goes the finger. Nanda Kishore points heavenwards. Breakthrough for Delhi. And Railways have been pushed back.
और पढ़ने के बाद गेंद जितना अंदर आया उतना काफी था अंपायर को कन्विंस करने के लिए।
Suraj Yadav, all of 25 years. We'll get 4 for that. Fortuitous, but runs are runs wherever they come. Before
और ये उस तरीके के खिलाड़ी हैं कि ये जब भी आप इनको खेलते हुए देखेंगे, और मैंने देखा है कि आप पहले इनके आंकड़ों पे नजर डालिए। 258 इनिंग, 11,000 से ऊपर रन।
Look, shot put away. He'll get 4 for that. And apart from the boundary, will also give him a huge amount of confidence as well. In the air, there is a fielder straight down his throat. Wicket number 2 for the Railways goes down.
गेंदबाज
to Railways, and that's exactly what Delhi was hoping. And he cleans him up. Navdeep Saini coming from round the wicket gets rid of the opener. That's the 3rd wicket gone.
धन्यवाद रमन भाई, कमाल का स्वागत। और नवदीप सैनी ने उम्दा गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन। विवेक सिंह बिना खाते खोले लौटेंगे।
Instead of using the term semi-defensive, I would rather say sensible fields at this.
बिल्कुल, और कसी हुई गेंदबाजी चल रही है यहाँ पर, सटीक लाइन। अमूमन हम प्रथम श्रेणी क्रिकेट में ऐसे ह्यूज क्राउड्स देखते हैं, बट यहाँ पर
Off the edge, that'll run away to the boundary. A welcome boundary for Railways. Reaching out and stroking it beautifully into the gap. Multiple runs will accrue. In fact, the ball will be stopped by Ayush Badoni. Straying onto the pads, nicely put away. Boundary for Upendra Yadav. Rare loose delivery from Navdeep Saini.
This morning when they were limbering up the crowd, there's crowd coming in. This is not right. Just get back to the cricket. In the air and gone. Absolute ripper. What a good catch in the end by the wicketkeeper. Or the third umpire in this case is taking another closer look. It's the first landing that matters, and the first landing, something either raised or grounded needs to be behind that inner line of the popping crease, which it is in my opinion. But who am I? It's the third umpire's decision that really matters. That's the he's called it a no ball for Delhi, and fortunately for Saif and the Railways, he lives to see another day.
अब देखिए, यही गेंद अगर आप छोड़ते रहेंगे तो आपकी आईज भी सेट होती चली जाएंगी। उसमें
take a look at his name. What a shot this is, and the man at second slip will be proud of that. The batsman just stands there, admires that shot and says, go fetch that, mate.
खेलना है, लाजवाब स्ट्रोक। गैप में बॉल को खेल दीजिए, गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर ही दिखेगा।
On the bounce to the wicketkeeper, beats him. Will be 4 byes. The first signs that the pitch is doing something other than the script.
उन्होंने भी ये श्योर किया कि जब भी उनको चांस मिले वो भी खेलेंगे.
Well, I think you picked the right name, Sachin Tendulkar. I think Bombay or Mumbai now, as it's called, actually show the way to the rest of the.
Stylishly played through the onside. Nicely timed, and he's found the gap as well. Superbly played by Saif for another boundary. Driven into the gap, and he will find the boundary. Kaif plays this, drives through the offside really well.
और इस बार कवर्स और मिड ऑफ के क्षेत्र के बीच चौकर मिला है.
And has it got the edge? Yes. Nandkishore says yes. And Grewal as his man. To bat, fairly experienced. Scored in excess of. And he cleans him up with the Yorker. Wraps on the pad and up goes the finger. Superb stuff this from Grewal. Back-to-back wickets for him. That be backed up by results. That's when they are appreciated. Theory and in terms of results. Hat-trick ball, but it was not to be a hat-trick. This Karan Sharma. Straying in line and paying the price for it is Navdeep Saini.
Batsman. Just wait for the umpire's signal. There it is. Buys. So the extras go up. Get that boundary. 75 for 5 now. Nicely played forward. Positive in intent is Karan Sharma.
स्कोर कार्ड पे नजर डालें. उपेंद्र 27 रन बना के क्रीज पे, उनके साथ करण शर्मा.
Morning for the fast bowlers. Grewal has been the most impressive. The third seamer for Delhi. Tall and well built. Fast.
अब तक डाल चुके हैं और कुछ जितनी
Fuller length and driven beautifully by Karan Sharma.
आखिरी गेंद को इस तरीके से समाप्त करते हुए बाउंड्री आती हुई. 34 ओवर के बाद 112 पे 5 आप करके देते हैं तो फिर उससे क्या खास बात. लीजिए एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई कि ये पार्टनरशिप होती हुई. एक बार फिर से बॉल को गैप में डाला है. बहुत जल्दी पोजीशन में आके बाउंड्री कलेक्ट करते हुए ओवर की समाप्ति.
Coming over the wicket to the right-hander, played away nicely, will pick up the single to end the over. Railways, after 39 overs, put into bat are 129 for 5.
Some width was offered and he's used it to good effect as Upendra Yadav. Another boundary for him. Just guiding the ball, using the pace of the bowler, and that boundary also brings up the 50 of Upendra Yadav.
जी हाँ, अर्धशतक अपना पूरा करते हुए यहाँ पे पहला था, पर उससे पहले उस चर्चा को जारी रखेंगे. इस शॉट का लुत्फ उठाइए. क्या कमाल की टाइमिंग थी. वो जो गैप ढूंढा है वो भी लाजवाब. 44 ओवर के बाद 142 पे 5 पे लेकर आए हैं, पर रिजल्ट में कोई बदलाव नहीं. आखिरी समय तक गेंद को देखा, गेंद को दिशा दिखाई और बाउंड्री मिलती हुई यहाँ पे.
Comfortable, but will get runs. 4 of them. Off the bat. 4 runs for Karan Sharma to end the 51st over. 162. Oh, now he swings that one. That's gone all the way. That'll be the second 6 of this innings so far. Also bringing up the 50 for Karan Sharma. The first time he's gone past 50 from Feb 2020 was the last time that he made a half century for the Railways. So he'll be feeling really good. The 100 of the partnership comes up as well. Oh, that's again in the air. There is a fielder. He's getting underneath it. And he's going to take it. What a catch in the end. A great effort this. Will go up to the third umpire. Off you go, says Navdeep Saini. He's got his man, and no better thing then the plan coming off. There were 3 fielders positioned.
एफर्ट पर यशदुल, कमाल का फील्डिंग.
Could have made it last longer, and Glee there. Oh, he's gone as well. 2 and 2. It's all happening here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. This is the 3rd time that the 2 wickets have fallen of 2 consecutive deliveries. Now Railways well and truly under the cosh. Comes out to the middle to face the music. Will get 4. Brilliantly played. That's a shot of a man in form. And boy, take that, he says. Around the stumps. And he'll get 4 more for that. This has gone fine to the right of fine leg this time. These are very, very valuable runs that he's getting for the team. 181 now for 7. Pulled away, will get a boundary. The real gift this for Upendra, and he accepts it with glee. Just chancing his arms. That's what happens with the tail ender there. Will get runs, perhaps 4. Yes, he'll get a boundary. Moves on to 84, and the 2.
And he's always been looking to play big shots. And he gets hold of that and clears the rope comfortably enough for a maximum. Playing it with the turn, and
ट्रैक पर फील्डर
is looking to get runs quickly here, and he succeeds. Back-to-back sixes for Sangwan, and that FT blow brings up the 50 partnership. Incredibly on the onside. Has he beaten it? Yeah, he's beaten the fielders. Finds the gap. Another boundary for Upendra Yadav. Using his feet, going for a big hit. It's in the air. Fielders coming underneath it, and is taken. Thus the end of a fantastic innings from Upendra Yadav. He'll be